When people think about artificial intelligence, they usually talk about Nvidia, ChatGPT, Microsoft, or Google. But what if I told you there is an Indian company that doesn't build AI software, doesn't manufacture AI chips, yet could still benefit from the AI revolution? And here's where what even more interesting, both foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors have reportedly increased their holding in this company. So what are they seeing that many retail investors might be missing? Let's find out. A recent Financial Express report highlighted that while many foreign investors have been selective in the current market, both FIIs and DIs have reportedly increased their stake in the Sterlite technology. Now, this doesn't automatically make a stock a good investment, but when domestic and foreign institutional investors move in the same direction, it often worth asking one simple question: why? What do you these professional investors see in the company that the broader market may be overlooking? To answer that, we first need to understand something much bigger than the company itself, the AI infrastructure story. Whenever you ask a ChatGPT a question, whenever someone generates an AI image, or whenever a business uses cloud-based AI service, most people only see the software. But behind every AI request is a massive digital infrastructure working silently. Your request travels through high-speed internet, across data centers, through thousands of kilometers of optical fiber before reaching powerful AI servers. And then the response comes back to your phone or laptop in just a few seconds. Without this infrastructure, modern AI simply couldn't operate at scale. That's why many investors believe the AI revolution is not just about software, it's also about the companies building and the digital backbone. Now, let's connect that idea to Sterlite Technologies. The company is not competing with OpenAI or Nvidia. Instead, building the infrastructure that keeps the digital world connected. Its business includes manufacturing the optical fiber, producing optic fiber cables, building telecom and enterprise network, supporting data center connectivity, and delivering digital network solutions. Think of it like this: AI is the car, and fiber networks are the highways. No matter how advanced the car is, it can't reach its destination without good roads. Similarly, AI needs fast, reliable connectivity to deliver results instantly. Why might institutional investors be interested in companies like this? Remember, institutions generally invest based on long term trends rather than short term excitement. One major trend is the rapid growth of AI data centers around the world. Another is the increasing demand of cloud computing. India is also investing heavily in digital infrastructure, and telecom operators continue expanding fiber networks. If this trend continues, companies involved in digital connectivity could benefit from growing demand. Of course, every company's ability to capture that opportunity depends on its execution and competitiveness. Now, here's something every investor should remember: a great story alone is never enough. Before investing, always study the business itself. Look at the revenue growth, profit margins, order book, debt levels, cash flows, return on capital, and management future guidance. Institutional buying can be interesting signal, but it should never replace your own research. Now, let's talk about the risk, because understanding risk is just as important as understanding opportunity. If telecom companies slow down their spending, if infrastructure projects faces delays, if global demand weakens, then our competition put pressure on margins, future growth could be affected. That's why every investment decision should balance both the upside and the risk. Here's how I look at it. AI infrastructure is one of the most exciting long-term themes in the market. But investing in a theme is different from investing in a company. A strong industry doesn't automatically guarantee that every business will succeed. That's why I always focus on business quality, management execution, financial strength, and valuation before making any investment decision. And you should too. The AI revolution is not just about software or chips, it's also depend on data centers, power infrastructure, cloud computing, and high-speed fiber network that keep everything connected. Companies operating in this space could quietly become important beneficiaries as AI adoption continues to grow. Whether Sterlite technology becomes one of the winners or is something investors should continue to evaluate it based on its execution and financial performance. Now it's your turn. Do you think AI infrastructure could become one of the India's biggest long-term investment opportunity? Share your thought in this comment below. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Paisa Matters, and hit the bell icon for more research-backed videos on stocks, IPOs, and personal finance.